How to skip the headers when processing a CSV file using Python? I am using the below referred code to edit a CSV using Python. Functions called in the code form upper part of the code. Problem: I want the below referred code to start editing the CSV from second row. I want it to exclude first row which contains headers. Right now it is applying the functions on first row only and my header row is getting changed. I tried to solve this problem by initializing row variable to 1 but it didn't work. Please help me in solving this issue.
Your reader variable is an iterable. By looping over it you retrieve the rows. To make it skip one item before your loop, simply call nextReader, none, and ignore the return value. You can also simplify your code a little, use the open files as context managers to have them closed automatically. If you wanted to write the header to the output file unprocessed, that's easy too. Pass the output of next to writer.writeRow.
Another way of solving this is to use the dictReader class, which skips the header row and uses it to allow named indexing. Give info.csv as follows. Use dictReader like this.
Doing row equals 1 won't change anything, because you'll just overwrite that with the results of the loop. You want to do nextReader to skip one row.
Simply iterate one time with next. Or use 1 at the end of reader object.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.